In this lesson, we're going to learn about equivalent fractions. So if we have a problem like this that says, find the missing value for the equivalent fraction, and we have a question mark over 5 equals 8 over 10. So the first step is to use a number line, okay? So here's a fractional number line, and here's also the same kind of number line. If you'll notice, these both represent the whole number 1, and they're cut up into different little tiny pieces. This number line is cut up into 10 equal pieces, and this one is cut up into 5 equal pieces. So it's important now to understand the meaning of equivalent fraction. Equivalent fractions are different fractions that represent the same portion of a whole. So let's put 8 over 10. Let's write it in. So 8 over 10 we can see is right here. So let's mark that with a marker. So this is 8 over 10. Okay? And the point that lines up with 8 over 10 we could see is 4 over 5. So this is the equivalent fraction to 8 over 10. So let's mark that in as well. So this number line shows 8 over 10, and this one shows 4 over 5. So finally, we know that the missing value is 4. Okay, so 4/5 is the same as 8 over 10, and that's how you find the equivalent fraction. And don't worry if you don't get this right away, you could just rewatch the video. Practice makes improvement. And I have resources in the description with links to other videos of mine that are like this. As well, you could download my ebook and you could follow along this exact lesson in the ebook. Thanks for listening.